Hi Queens, today I will be showing you how I apply a lace frontal wig. So first I'm applying the Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel along this queen's hairline. I'm applying an even coating along the entire hairline. So now I'm blow drying the Got To Be glue and making sure that it's tacky and not fully dry. So next you want to spray a little bit of the Got To Be glued blasting free spray on sections of the hairline and blow dry it accordingly. So next I'm using the No Mess Crazy Hold lace glue and I'm applying a little on the center of the hairline where her part will be. So you want to press the lace down with a rat tail comb to make sure that you get precision in the direction in which you're placing it. So I'm pulling and tugging at the hair and then pressing it down with the rat tail comb. So now I am blow drying the frontal and the glue and making sure that it is completely dry, and I'm using a cool setting. So next you want to add a little bit of baby hair and you are complete. If you want to see how to get flawless waves, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, Queens. Bye.